How to fix Snapchat camera full screen. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Snapchat. Go down, click on Snapchat like this, click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete to delete all the files, settings, accounts and databases. Go back and now click on the home page, and now all what you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. And after that, all what you want to do is just reopen Snapchat. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to try to turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.